Hi beautiful people. Welcome to Eat Works. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's get started. He rained down manna for the people to eat. He gave them the grain of heaven. Psalm 78-24. Which came first? The chicken or the egg? First, let's get the scientific answer out of the way. Eggs, generally speaking, existed before chickens did. The oldest fossils of dinosaur eggs and embryos are about 190 million years old. Archaeopteryx fossils, which are the oldest generally accepted as birds, are around 150 million years old. Which means the egg came first. Without a doubt, there are a multitude of benefits to eating eggs every day. Whether scrambled, boiled, poached, or fried, but also an essential ingredient for chefs, bakers, and ice cream makers. Not only eggs can provide a number of health benefits, but did you know that they can be used for more than just cooking and eating? They have many more uses around the home and as part of your beauty routine. Here are 10 other uses of an egg you probably didn't know. 1. Face mask. Whisk egg whites with a little bit of water to create a skin-firming face mask. Egg whites help to reduce puffiness, leave pores looking smaller, and are thought to have anti-aging properties. 2. Moisturizer. Egg yolks are rich in vitamin A, which is very good for skin. Whisk up 2 egg yolks with a little water and apply to your skin. Wash off, and your skin will feel moisturized and rejuvenated. 3. Hair conditioner. Mix an egg yolk with water or olive oil for a rich conditioner. Apply the mixture to your hair after shampooing and leave on for about 10 minutes and rinse with cool or warm water. 4. Leather cleaner. The sticky quality of egg whites also makes them good at cleaning certain surfaces, in particular leather. Gently rub onto shoes, bags, or even sofas, and then wipe off with a cloth. Egg whites also form a protective covering for leather. 5. Water for the plants. When you hard-boil your egg, leave the water to cool and use it to water your plants. Eggshells contains a high amount of calcium, and you will find your plants growing big and strong. 6. Fertilizer. Adding crushed eggshells to your compost will greatly increase the calcium content and make your soil richer. Simply crush and add to the mix. 7. Pan cleaner. Add crushed shells to soapy water to create a natural, abrasive cleaner to use on pots and pans. The rough edges help to remove tough stains. 8. Homemade craft glue. Mix flour, water, sugar, and alum, and you have a homemade glue that's ideal for crafting. 9. Hangover Cure. Mix 1 raw egg with 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, some hot sauce, salt, pepper and Tabasco. Drink up and you'll find your hangover gone. 10. Fabric whitener. Put your eggshells into a small cotton bag and add to your washing machine, along with the laundry to whiten your whites. Thank you. Bye for now. Stay tuned for more videos. Like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Hit the bell button.